Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between the hills, lived a curious little kitten named Kit. Kit was known for his twinkling blue eyes and a heart full of curiosity. One day, he noticed something peculiar. His eyes had lost their usual sparkle. Kit was puzzled. He pondered over this change. He remembered the days when his eyes could see the world in vibrant colors, the days when he could see the tiniest of things, and the days when he could see the joy in everyone's eyes. But now, his eyes seemed dull and lifeless. Determined to find a solution, Kit set off on a journey. He wandered through the meadows, climbed up the hills, and crossed the babbling brook. He met friends along the way, a wise old owl, a friendly rabbit, and even a mischievous squirrel. The wise old owl told Kit, "The look in your eyes is a reflection of your heart. If you want your eyes to sparkle again, fill your heart with love, kindness, and curiosity." The friendly rabbit added, "Remember, Kit, the world is full of wonders. Keep your eyes open, and you'll see them all." With their words echoing in his ears, Kit continued his journey. He saw the world with new eyes, the dew on the morning grass, the laughter of children playing, and the beauty of the sunset. His heart was filled with love, kindness, and curiosity. As he returned home, Kit noticed his eyes were sparkling again. They twinkled with joy, wonder, and curiosity. His friends, who had accompanied him on his journey, were delighted to see the change in him. They congratulated Kit, saying, "You found your lost look, Kit. Remember, it's not just about looking, but seeing with your heart." From that day forward, Kit lived a life filled with love, kindness, curiosity, and a sparkle in his eyes. He learned that the world is a beautiful place when you look at it with a heart full of love, kindness, and curiosity. So, children, remember, always look at the world with your heart, and you'll see the beauty that surrounds you every day. Good night.